Once again, we are out here on the grounds at the manufacturing plant at Rock Solid Cargo. We wanted to show you a trailer that we built for a guy that is going all the way to where? Kuwait. Say it one more time, Kuwait. We're shipping all over the world now, but this customer's name is Jack Ruse. And Jack, we thank you for the opportunity to earn your business, and I know when this trailer gets over there, all your buddies are going to want one too. They've never seen anything quite like this. But this is an 8.5 by 36. It's white 030 metal. It is a race car package. When you go up past a 32 foot trailer, we always make you go to a triple axle. So this trailer's got a triple axles on it. It's triple 5,200 pound axles. It's got, again, the race package, which comes with your recessed LED floodlights. These are really bright lights, guys. They will light it up at nighttime. You've got a 36-inch RV style flush lock door on the side. At the bottom, we've got your reflector tape so people can see you coming up at night. Again, these are 5,200 pound triple drop leaf spring axles. He's dressed it up and put your alloy wheels on it. These are actually called our chrome Jaguar wheels. They look really good on a white race car trailer. If you come around, if you'll see right here at the bottom, we've got your aluminum sidewall vents. That's something, if you're building a trailer, I always recommend putting the aluminum sidewall vents on it. Up here at the top, we've got your LED 12 volt loading lights. So when you're loading your car or your toy at night, it's simple as flipping a switch and then you got plenty of light. This is our ramp door with our double spring assist, so it doesn't require a whole lot of muscle to pull the ramp door down. We've got your floor, all your interior flooring's covered with black rubber tread plate. We cover your ramp and your flap as well. The interior of this trailer is finished out. Again, it's got a race package on it, and I can still smell the glue in here. This one's just done. But he's put a spare tire mount. He's mounted it at the rear of the trailer. We can put it in the V-nose. We can put it wherever you ask us to. This trailer is equipped with what we call a party package. It comes with 6 speakers. We can do them interior or exterior, so they are weatherproof. And if you look, he's got white metal walls on the interior of this trailer, and we've trimmed it out in black trim. A lot of people are doing that. It's called a blackout interior package. You can do white metal walls, silver, whatever color, yellow, and then we trim it out in black. It looks really nice. On the race package, comes with an electrical package. So you've got a 50 amp panel service, and you get 2 recessed LED lights for the interior. On the walls right here, he's got some wall mounted D-rings. So he's obviously going to strap something down right here, but they are welded to the frame and recessed in the wall or the floor. We've got D-rings in the floor. It looks like he's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 D-rings. They're all welded to the frame as well, recessed in the floor. Aluminum sidewall vents. These open both ways. So if it's raining, you can always open it up this way and no water will come in, but they ventilate both ways. You put one on the driver's side wall and one on the passenger side wall. We usually mount one up top and one down low. So when you're going down the road, it creates a crosswind, sucks all your gas fumes right on out. With the race package, you get an upper cabinet and a base cabinet. And this right here design, it looks like he's put a floor to ceiling closet right here, a cabinet right here. And we can put shelving in those, or you can do a closed rod, hanging rod. Some people hang their jackets or race gear up in here. You can put your helmet up there, but yeah, we can design that however you like. Just be specific with the sales rep. And guys, this is just a 36 foot triple axle race car trailer that we wanted to show you guys that is going all the way to Kuwait. And we can actually put 2 cars in this trailer. 36 foot is as long as we'll go on a bumper pull. Anything above that, if you need more space, we would have to build you a gooseneck. But these are hot right now, guys. Race car trailers is starting to get race car season. It starts, I know, for a lot of my friends in April, so don't get caught behind. If you need a race car trailer, you need to call us quick. We've got a bunch coming down the line that are being built, but people's names are getting put on them every day. We're taking deposit after deposit after deposit, so don't get caught behind everybody. Give us a call at Renown Cargo Trailers. You can check us out on our website, but our phone number is 188-287-3954. Our website's www.renowncargotrailers.com. And then also check out our YouTube channel. Subscribe to that. You'll get notifications on what's new in the industry and what's coming and just what's available. And we also like sharing the gospel with people. We love people, we love Jesus, and I'm telling you, I don't care what you're going through, He loves you. The Word says that He will never abandon you or leave you, and I can promise you, He is faithful. If I can call God anything else, His name is faithful. So y'all give us a call about a trailer if you just need somebody to talk to. I promise you, we're here for you. I got plenty of people on staff, 10 or 11 sales reps. We're growing so fast I can't even keep up. But give us a call. They'd love to love on you and encourage you and give you a quote on a trailer if that's what you're looking for. But guys, thanks for watching our videos. We just want to tell you to be blessed out there, and we look forward to earning your business. And until then, y'all just stay blessed.